Hi student, my name is Professor Prakash Vasankar, author, Mathematics Part 1st and 2nd for class 12, Engineering Mathematics 1st, 2nd and 3rd for BE first year and second year for all branches. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we solve multiple choice questions on unit matrices from Mathematics Part 1st. And here the first multiple choice question is, if A is equals to matrix AB, this is the first row, AB, BA, and A square is equals to matrix alpha, beta, beta, alpha, then option A, alpha is equals to twice AB, beta is equals to A square plus B square. Option B, alpha is equals to A square plus B square, beta is equals to AB. Option C, alpha is equals to A square plus B square, beta is equals to twice AB. Option D, alpha is equals to A square plus B square, beta is equals to A square minus B square. In the first multiple choice questions, two matrices are given. First matrix is A matrix, and that matrix is matrix ABBA, and second matrix is A square matrix, and which is equals to matrix alpha beta beta alpha. Then we find here the value of alpha and beta. So this is one very simple multiple choice questions. Here A square is given. So from this A matrix, first we find A square matrix. And we know that A square is equals to A into A. So A square is equals to matrix AB, BA into again matrix AB, BA. So first we multiply these two matrices, and then the A square matrix equate with the matrix alpha, beta, beta, alpha. So this is one simple way to solve the multiple choice questions. So first here we find A square matrix from matrix A, and then we equate the A square matrix with this matrix, that is the matrix alpha, beta, beta, alpha. Therefore here we find A square matrix. So A square matrix is given. A square is equals to alpha, beta, beta, alpha. But A is equals to ABBA. So A square is equals to A into A. So this is A matrix. ABBA. This matrix is given. ABBA. A square is equals to A into A matrix. Therefore, here in the solution, this A square is equals to, first we write here A matrix, and A matrix is given ABBA. So I write here ABBA into again A matrix ABBA. And this matrix equals to A square, but A square is given. A square is matrix alpha, beta, beta, alpha. So which is equals to here matrix alpha, beta, beta, alpha. Then first we multiply these two matrices here, that is A into A matrix. And we know that the process for multiplications of the two matrices, first row, first column, A into A square, so right here A square. B into B plus B square, so right here plus B square. Then first row, second column, A into B, AB, again B into A plus BA. BA can be written as AB. So AB plus AB, 2AB. So right here 2AB. Next, second row, first column, B into A, AB plus A into B, AB, AB plus AB, twice AB. Second row, second column, B into B, B square plus A into A square. So A square plus B square. So right here A square plus B square. This is A square matrix, and this matrix equals to again the given A square matrix, that is matrix alpha, beta, beta, alpha. Then we equate these two matrices. That is here we use the definitions of equality of two matrix. Each corresponding element is equal. Therefore, here alpha is equals to alpha square plus beta square, and beta is equals to twice AB. So alpha is equals to a square plus beta square, and beta is equals to twice AB. And these are the required values of alpha and beta. Therefore, here alpha is equals to a square plus b square, beta is equals to twice AB. So here C is the correct option. That is here we solve here. That is here we solve the first multiple choice questions. Dear student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Next multiple choice question. The second multiple choice questions. If A is a 3 into 3 non-singular matrix, that is here, the order of the matrix A is given. This matrix is 3 into 3, that is contain 3 rows and 3 columns. That is here A is non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix means determinant of A is not equals to 0. This is given. A is non-singular matrix. Such that A into complements of A, which is equals to complements of A into A. This is satisfied. That is A into complements of A is equals to complements of A into A. This equation is satisfied. And B is equals to A inverse into complements of A. Then B into complements of B equals, means here we find B into complements of B by using the given, and given is A into complements of A is equals to complements of A into A, and B equals to A inverse into complements of A. Is given in this multiple choice questions. And here the options are option A B inverse, option B complements of B inverse, option C I plus B, option D I. So in this multiple choice questions, we find B complements of B, B complements of B. So first we write this B into complements of B. Then here we put B is equals to A inverse into complements of A. This is given. B equals to A inverse into complements of E. So first we write here B into B complements. So here we write B into B complements. First B as it is. And here second B, which is equals to A inverse into complements of A. This is given. B equals to A inverse into complements of A. So we write here first B as it is. Second B is equals to A inverse into complements of A complements. This complements. That is complements of A inverse into complements of A. Again, we repeat this. First B as it is. Second B is equals to A inverse into complements of A. So here complements of A inverse into complements of A, which is equals to here this B as it is. This B as it is. And we know that complements of AB, which is equals to B complements into A complements. So by using this, complements of A complements of A complements, which is equals to complements of A inverse, complements of A inverse. That is here we use the property complements of AB is equals to B complements into A complements. So by using this property, here we get complements of A complements into complements of A inverse, complements of A inverse. And again, we know that the property complements of A is equals to A itself. Therefore, here this B as it is, here write A. So write here A. And this complements of A inverse as it is. Complements of A inverse as it is. Next, again we write this B, and B is equals to, again here it is given that B is equals to A inverse into complements of A. So we write here B equals to A inverse into complements of A in bracket this A into complements of A inverse as it is. In this step, by right here B is equals to A inverse into complements of A inverse into complements of A, and this A into complements of A inverse here as it is. Therefore, here again A inverse into A, we write this here A inverse into A inverse into E. So we write here A inverse into E. Next, we write here complements of A into complements of A inverse. So we write here complements of A into complements of A inverse. But when now that A inverse into A, that is the identity. A inverse into A, which is equals to identity matrix. So A inverse into A, so right here I. Next here, this complements of A inverse, complements of A inverse into A whole complements. So here we use the formula complements of B into complements of A, which is equals to AB complements. Similarly, complements of A into complements of A inverse, which is equals to A inverse complements of A inverse into A. Again, we repeat this. Here A inverse into A, that is the identity matrix. So right here identity matrix. Next here, we use here the property complements of B into complements of A is equals to AB complements. Similarly here A inverse into A complements. So A inverse into A complements. Therefore here I, which is equals to here A inverse into A, that is I complements, and I is identity matrix. Therefore complements of I is equals to itself I. So right here I into I, that is I square. But I is identity matrix, so I square equals to again I, so which is equals to here I. Therefore here D is the correct option. In this way, we solve here the second multiple choice questions on a unit matrices. So again, we request you, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Third multiple choice questions. This is the third multiple choice questions. All MCQs are very most important. If A is equals to matrix 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2, A to B is a matrix satisfying the equation A into transpose of A into transpose of A, which is equals to 9I, where I is 3 into 3 identity matrix. That is here I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That is the identity matrix of order 3 into 3. Then the order pair AB is equals to, then we find here the order pair AB. Option A 2 comma 1, option B minus 2 comma minus 1, option C 2 comma minus 1, option D minus 2 comma 1. So first we read the problem carefully and then we solve these multiple choice questions. In this multiple choice questions, matrix A of order 3 into 3 is given. One matrix equation is also given. That matrix equation is A into transpose of A, which is equals to 9I. And here I is identity matrix of order 3 into 3. Then we find here the order pair AB. That is, we find the value of A and B. Here we find the value of A and B. Means here we find the order pair AB. So first we write this given a matrix equations. A matrix is given. Then we write the transpose of this matrix. That is in this matrix, we interchange row and column, then we get the transpose matrix. That is the transpose of matrix A. which is equals to 9i, then we write here identity matrix. Identity matrix of order 3 into 3, that is why write matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. And after solving this, we get the required values of A and B, or we get the required order pair AB. Therefore, here, first we write here the given matrix equation, that is A into transpose of A, which is equals to 9i. So first we write here A matrix. This matrix is given here 1 2 2 2 1 minus 2 A 2 B. So we write this matrix here 1 2 2 2 1 minus 2 A 2 B. This is the A matrix into transpose of A matrix. That is here we write the transpose of this matrix. That is here interchange row and column. So 1 2 2, right? In this matrix, this row interchange to first column 1 2 2 1 2 2. Second row interchange to second column 2 1 minus 2 2 1 minus 2. Third row A to B, here A to B, which is equals to 9 into identity matrix 9i. But I is identity matrix, so 9 into matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So multiply identity matrix by 9, so we get 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. That is when I write this step here directly. First we assume that the given equations, that is A equals to A transpose, which is equals to 9i. Then we write here A matrix. Then we write the transpose of into transpose of A matrix, which is equals to 9 into identity matrix. Then we get this way. Is equals to, here we multiply these two matrix. Here we multiply these two matrix. So we get here first row, again first row, first column 1 into 1, here 1, 2 into 2, so write plus 4, 2 into 2, again plus 4. First row, second column 1 into 2, so write here 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Then first row, third column 1 into A, so write here A, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into B plus 2B. Then second row, first column 2 into 1, so write here 2, 1 into 2 plus 2, minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Second row, second column 2 into 2, so write here 4, 1 into 1 plus 1, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Second row, third column, so 2 into A, right here 2A, 1 into 2, so right here plus 2, minus 2 into B, minus 2. Next, third row, first column, A into 1, so right here A, 2 into 2, so right here 4, B into 2, so plus 2. Second row, third row, second column, A into 2, 2A, 2 into 1, plus 2, B into minus 2, minus 2. Third row, third column, third column, A into A square, so right here A square, 2 into 2 plus 4, B into B plus B square. Then this matrix can be written as, in the next step, this matrix can be written as here 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 9. So right here 9. Next here 2 plus 2, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. A plus 4 plus 2b as it is. So right here 0, A plus 4 plus 2b as it is. Next 2 plus 2, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, that is 0, 9, 2a plus 2 minus 2b as it is. So write 0, 9, 2a plus 2 minus 2b as it is. Next, a plus 4 plus 2b as it is, 2a plus 2 minus 2b as it is, a square plus 4 plus b square as it is. Here, a plus 4 plus 2b as it is, 2a plus 2 minus 2b as it is, a square plus 4 plus b square as it is, and which is equals to 9 into identity matrix. That matrix is here 900090009. So we write here the matrix 900090009. And here we use the definitions of equality of two matrices. We know that the definitions of the equality of two matrices, each corresponding elements is equal. So here we write this A plus 4 plus 2B, which is equals to here 0. So we write A plus 4 plus 2B, which is equals to 0. That is here we equate this element, that is A plus 4 plus 2B equals to 0. Then these equations can be written as this A plus 2B as it is, and here minus 4. And this is equation number first. Next, again we construct one equation and then we solve these equations for A and B. We get the required order pair AB or the values of A and B. So second equation 2A plus 2 minus 2B, which is equals to again here 0. 2A plus 2 minus 2B equals to 0 by using the definitions of the equality of two matrix. So we get here 2A plus 2 minus 2B, which is equals to 0. Then this can be written as 2A minus 2B, which is equals to minus 2. Correct? Then divided both sides by 2. So we get A minus B equals to minus 1. A minus B equals to minus 1. And this is equation number second. Then we solve equation first and second for A and B. We get the required values of A and B, or we get the order pair AB. So equation first is here equation first A plus 2B minus 4. Equation second A minus B, which is equals to minus 1. Then we subtract these two equations. We subtract these two equations. So we get here A get cancelled. Then 2B, negative, negative, positive. So plus B, 2B plus B, that is 3B. That is 3B, which is equals to minus 4 plus 1. So minus 3. So 3B is equals to minus 3. Therefore, B is equals to minus 1. This is the value of B. That is B is equals to minus 1. Again, we repeat this. We solve these two equations, that is A plus 2B equals to minus 4 and A minus B is equals to minus 1. So in these two equations, coefficient of A is equal. So we subtract. That is equation second minus equation first. Equation second minus equation first, or equation first minus equation second. Then A get cancelled. Then here 2B, here 2B, here minus B, negative, negative, positive in subtraction. So 2B plus B, 3B. Here minus 4 in this equation. Minus 4, here negative, negative, positive, minus 4 plus 1. That is minus 3. So 3B equals to minus 3. 3, 3 get cancelled. B equals to minus 1. Therefore, the value of B is minus 1. Then we put the value of B in equation first or in equation second and find out the value of A. So we put here the value of B in equations second. We put here B equals to minus 1. B equals to minus 1. Then here negative, negative, positive. So A plus 1 is equals to minus 1. Therefore, A is equals to minus 1, minus 1. Therefore, A is equals to minus 2. Therefore, the value of A, which is equals to minus 2. Therefore, the order pair AB, which is equals to, here we put the value of A, that is minus 2, comma, value of B, that is minus 1. Therefore, here minus 2 minus 1 is the correct option. Minus 2 minus 1 is the correct option. That is here B is the correct option. So in this way, we solve 3 multiple choice questions on matrices. All these multiple choice questions are important. So again, we request you, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay.